Black. Very good. Okay, say it one more time.
Black.
Black. Very good. Okay, now this time. Okay, now we will going to read that 3 times. Okay, now just do it just like this one. Black, black, black. Go.
Black. Black. Black.
Wow, that's great. Because of that, I'll give you your first reward tonight. Tan tararan. What's that?
It's cake.
It's a cupcake. Very good. So we will going to put that in the teddy bear. Wow. Okay. Teacher gives you cupcake. What will you say, Halin?
Mm,
What will you say? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. Okay, let's say it one more time. This one, can you read that word?
Black.
Black. Great. Okay, how about this one? Okay, this one. Can you say
E.
letter C? Yes. The sound is? What is the sound of letter C?
C.
C. The sound is K. Can you say it? Can you say that word again? K. Sound. C.
D.
Yes, the sound is K. Go.
K.
Very good. Okay, again, this one. This is letter L. What is the sound again?
L.
L. The sound is L.
L.
Very good. Okay, can you read this one? Can you say Kl?
K.
Very good. Kl. Okay, how about this word? Can you read this one?
Mm,
It's, what's
It's
that? It's a clock.
It's a clock.
Okay, say this one more time. Clock.
Clock.
Very good. Okay, now. K, L, ok. Clock. Go.
Clock.
Okay. Clock. Very good. Okay, now this time we will going to listen, point, and read. Okay, now let's read. Let's
Page
listen
4.
first.
B. Listen, point, and read. 1.
Bl, ack, black,
Bl.
Blah.
Ack.
Ack.
Black.
Black. Okay, now let's say it. Okay, now Helen, let's say it. Go.
Black.
B. Yes, black, but we were going to say B. L. Ack. Black. Go.
B. A. B. Black.
Okay, again. We were going to say this B. L. Ack. Black. Go.
B.
L.
Black.
Very good. Okay, now this time, we're going to read
2.
number 2.
bl, anklet, blanket,
Bl. Blanket. Blanket.
Okay, so now let's say it one more time. Can you say blanket? Blanket. Go.
Blanket.
Blanket. So very good. Okay, how about this one?
3.
cl,
Clock.
ock,
Clock.
clock,
Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Okay, let's say one more time. Okay. So can you say can you say clock? Clock. Go.